Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine too. Welcome you all to ANIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is composition writing, and today we will discuss on two compositions, composition 1 and 2. Okay, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 5. Subject English, topic composition 1 and 2, term annual. This is your lecture number 20 and your homework number 13. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 20 and your homework number 13, and your homework will be composition number 1. This is my contact number and this is my name. Okay, let's start. Our first composition is on the Liberation War Museum. At first we will read the question. Write a short composition on the Liberation War Museum using the following clues. Situated, galleries, gallery 6, this will be gallery 4, this will be gallery 4. Belongings of the martyrs. The Liberation War Museum. The Liberation War Museum is situated at Agargaon in Dhaka. There are 4 permanent galleries in this museum that exhibits rare photographs, documents, and newspaper clippings and objects used by the freedom fighters and the martyrs of the Liberation War. At gallery number 4, the personal belongings of the martyred intellectuals and freedom fighters are exhibited. A visit to this museum reminds the next generation of our glorious history of freedom. So this is the composition, a short composition on the Liberation War Museum. We will learn another. Write a short composition on Cyclone Aila. Cyclone Aila occurred on 25th May in 2009. There was light rain on the day of Aila. In the afternoon, the wind started to blow. By the evening, the river was rising. The sky was dark. Cyclone Aila shook the walls of the houses and the trees were blown away. Everyone was afraid. So this is the composition on Cyclone Aila. Dear students, you can also write some sentences on this topic in your own, and your homework for today's class will be composition number 1. That means the Liberation War Museum will be your homework for today's class, and this is your lecture number 20 and homework number 13. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood well today's class, and if you have any problem or any further question, please contact me and submit your homework on Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. So thank you all, take care of yourself, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.